Are you struggling with a traditional business? Or maybe an online business? Is your job at risk? Or are you simply ready for a change? Fortunately, you're not on your own. Millions of others have already had to make changes to their careers in order to create a new direction, as well as finding suitable financial solutions. So, how exactly did they do it? You too can join them in learning how to become a full-time trader. In no time at all, you could be trading DAX and DOW like a seasoned professional. With the help of our comprehensive video tutorial course and detailed ebook 21 Golden Rules of Trading Financial Markets 2021, we'll take you from an absolute beginner to a confident and capable financial trader. All you have to do is simply register for further details. You'll receive your free ebook, and in no time you could be working from home as your own boss, trading DAX and DOW from your computer or smartphone. And the best part, there is absolutely no experience required. This A to Z complete video tutorial course on how to trade DAX and DOW like a professional, accompanied by the ebook 21 Golden Rules of Trading Financial Markets in 2021, will fast-track you to accomplishing your financial goals from trading. With a wide variety of traders, from beginners, intermediates and advanced, why not come and join our community today and get your free ebook now?